Good evening, everybody. This is Mr. DANNERIUM coming to you from DANNERIUM Culinary Labs, specifically the mixology department. This month is October 2024, so I've had many family members, friends, service members, co-workers either suffer from cancer and survive, thank you God, or whichever deity you pray to. We're not going to alienate any of them. I've also had all those types of people pass away from cancer. So for those of you that are fighting it right now, do not give up. All right, today's drink is for you. It's a tutorial, so when you're feeling better, you can have one. All right, we're gonna make the Deep Blue Ocean. It's gonna be 3 ingredients. First, we're gonna start off with blue Curacao. We're gonna fill our shot glass up about 1/3 of the way. The next ingredient, let's give it a little bit more. The next ingredient is going to be Hpnotiq. We're going to use our bartending spoon. You guys love when I use this, right? All right. So we're going to put the bottom of the spoon on top of the blue Curacao, and as we pour the next ingredient, which is Hpnotiq, as we pour it in, we're going to raise this up. You'll see it ever so slowly. We're going to pour this really slow. So let's turn it around. So our drizzle knob, our drip knob is really dripping instead of just pouring. See it drip? But if you look at the shot, don't look at me, look at the drink, you'll see a light blue layer forming. All right, I'm gonna do a little trick and speed this up a little bit. All right, now for our final layer, we're gonna do coconut rum. You can use whatever brand you choose to, but I'm gonna use, we know what this bottle is, right? Okay, since we're not sponsored, we really shouldn't mention their name. And again, we're gonna drip this in slowly, but you'll see a clear layer at the top. See, it's dripping. I'm really have this angled in so you guys see that I'm not faking this. This is really dripping in. You have to love these spouts. There we go. Again, this is called the Deep Blue Ocean. So you have the depths of the water, you have the shallow area, you have the clear area. It's kind of like being in the Bahamas, right? Now you guys saw me put this to the side when we first started. That's because this is a tutorial. I'm actually going to do this in reverse order and show you why we use a bartending spoon and why we layer. So, we're going to break for a commercial and come right back and do that tutorial. Okay, we're back. Now, as I said, there's a reason why we do this layer. So you'll see this dark layer here. You'll see this light blue layer here. You'll see the clear layer at the top. If we didn't use the specific order, which is because of the density of the fluids. That's right, density. It's a science class, people. This drink has more alcohol in it than the other ones. Therefore, it floats to the top. We'll prove that. All right, that's the Malibu. This has a little bit more sugar in it. It still has some alcohol in it, but it's more sugary than the Malibu. As you can see, when you pour this in, it just mixes. When we do the blue Curacao, this is basically 80% sugar. So when you pour this in, it's heavy, it's thick, it's gonna sink to the bottom. Even if I had used the bartending spoon to try to layer it, it's still gonna fall through. This is why we layer in the order that we do. We put the thickest, syrupy, sugary drink at the bottom. A little less sugar, a little bit more alcohol than the first drink goes next. Finally, you top it off with the most alcohol, the least amount of sugar at the top. So that's your tutorial on the deep blue sea as well as why we lay our drinks. And please don't forget, if you know anyone with cancer, please support them. They need your help. They need your energy. They can fight the fight, but it always helps to have an extra helping hand. Good night and enjoy.